credit utilization ratio is a key factor that affects your credit score. It refers to the percentage of your total available credit that you are currently using. Keeping this ratio in a healthy range helps maintain or improve your creditworthiness. Credit utilization is the percentage of your credit card limit that you have spent. For example, if you have a $10,000 credit limit and you spend $3,000, your credit utilization is 30%. It reflects how much of your available credit you are using. Credit utilization impacts a large part of your credit score. High credit usage signals risk to lenders, as it may indicate overspending or financial stress. Conversely, using a lower percentage of your credit shows responsible credit management. Financial experts recommend keeping your credit card usage below 30% of your total credit limit. For example, if your card limit is $5,000, try to keep your balance below $1,500. Staying within this limit helps protect your credit score. If your utilization exceeds 30%, your credit score might drop. This can make lenders view you as a higher-risk borrower. Using higher amounts of credit can suggest you are relying too much on borrowed money. To maintain a low credit utilization ratio, pay your balance in full each month or make multiple payments. You can also request a higher credit limit or spread your expenses across several cards. These strategies help you keep your utilization ratio healthy. Always keep your credit card utilization below 30% to maintain a strong and healthy credit score. Lower utilization is better for your long-term financial health and borrowing ability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.